So some top crops to plant in June. Lettuce, this is great, grows fast, easy to pick and keep using. Radishes, grows incredibly fast. Rocket, another great crop to plant. You could also plant some kale or some purple sprouting broccoli. Carrots are great as well, depending on the variety. Let me know what you're planting and how you're planning for the seasons changing and what you're planting now to make sure you've always got a continuous supply of fruit and veg. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and keep on growing, guys. Bye.